Hi everybody, this is Arash and we are solving HackerRank Python preparation challenges. Let's go to the next one, which is called permutations. It is categorized as easy. Alright, it's something like this. We are going to print all permutations of a given string with size of k. For example, when size is 3, we should print all possible permutations with 3 characters. First of all, we are going to import it to our code. So I just copy this line here to my code from itertools import permutations. Then I'm going to get s and k from the input. So s and k are equal to input dot split. After that, k should be converted to integer, so k is equal to int of k. And in the end, we should create a list of permutations. So I write down, for example, permutations list is equal to list of permutations of my string, which is s, but since the program needs me to print them in lexicographic order, so it should be sorted, so I write down sorted of s, and I should specify the size, which is k. In the end, I should print them, so I write down, for example, for item in permutations list, I should print item. Up to this moment, let's run the code and check if it's correct. Alright, this is the input, for example, hack with size of 2. This is my answer, ACAHAK, and this is what the question wants. Its values are correct, but they need to be printed in this format. So I modify here a little bit, and instead of item I write down nothing dot join item. This will join every letter in my item tuple. Let's run the code again, and this time all of them are correct. Let's submit the code to test more test cases, and all of them are right. Alright guys, this was Arash. Thank you for watching my video. See you next time.